My first visit to the zoo. One day, my mother and a few of my aunties planned to go on a trip to the zoo. The day we planned to go was August 29th at about 3:30 p.m. My mother and I left home and picked up an auntie and then bought some things to eat. After that we went to another aunt's place and from there we traveled by car. We had to sit on laps. We went to the zoo and bought tickets and went inside. We first went to the aquarium where we saw various types of fish like starfish, lionfish, crabs, elephant nose, and other fish too. Next we saw the birds. They were very nice, but they were very noisy. The best bird I saw was the peacock. We saw tigers, leopards, lions, snakes, elephants, penguins, ponies, donkeys, and other types of animals too. We saw the zebras last of all. We left the zoo in the evening. From there we went to one of my aunt's houses. There my cousins and I played cards. After we finished eating, we came back home. This was how I spent my first visit to the zoo.